Welcome to Maestro Connect, a platform designed to help teachers manage students, schedule lessons, assign tasks, and track everything in one place. Let's get started. To sign up, go to maestroconnect.io and click the Become a Teacher button. You'll be taken to the teacher sign-up page. Here, enter your first name. Last name is optional. Next, enter your email address. Create a secure password. Then enter your city and state. Before continuing, check the box to confirm the accuracy of your information. Once everything is filled out,
Click Start Free to create your teacher account.
you'll see a message asking you to verify your email address. Check your inbox and click the verification link. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam folder. Once you click the verification link, you'll be automatically signed in and taken directly to your teacher dashboard. Your 14-day free trial starts now, and you can begin setting up your profile, adding students, scheduling lessons, and managing everything in one place.